Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So since I bought this Multistrada V4s, this one came with a stock can. So I'm quite interested in getting the Akrapovic can as an upgrade. But when I test the demo bike with the Akrapovic can, I was unsure that it sounded that much better. So we're going to do a can comparison. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, let's just take a quick look at the stock can there. I mean, it doesn't look out of place. I think it suits the bike. I mean, when you've got the panniers on, don't forget, you're not even going to see this, but aesthetically, yeah, it looks okay. Right, so here we've got the Akrapovic system. Aesthetically, I definitely think it looks better. You get a weight saving of 5 kilo and an extra 4 brake horsepower, taking it to 174 bhp. Right, so what we've got here is my bike, which has got the stock can on it, and on the other side we have the Akrapovic can. So after doing our sound check, guys, I honestly don't think there's much in it. This stock can is as good as the Akrapovic system in my eyes. Putting them two together, realistically, the sound is so minutely different. It wouldn't justify spending all that money on that can. I think if you're going to beef the bike up and you want that sound, you've got to go for a full system. But then, you know, you're into sort of £2,500 to replace that, which I'm probably not that interested in doing that, to be honest. But if I've got an opportunity of picking a cheap second-hand can up, I'd purely be doing it for aesthetics only, to be honest. But I hope you like the video, guys. Be interested to see what your comments are. Hit the likes, hit the subscribes, and we'll see you in the next one.